Good morning, students of class 6th. Welcome to your online classes of English ASL listening activity. Today, for class 6th, in listening activity, we will be covering out unit number 8, All in a Day's Work. Unit number 8, All in a Day's Work. Listening. Listen to the conversation between Mr. Rajan and his neighbor Harshin. As you listen, take the correct statement and put a cross against the incorrect statement. Before you listen, read the statements. Read the statement questions, what is given in true and false below. You can read. Now, I will be reading out the conversation for you. Mr. Rajan. Excuse me, Harshin, I wonder if I could ask you a small favor. Harshin. Yes, of course. What can I do to help? Mr. Rajan. Well, the roof of my house has just started leaking. A coconut fell from the tree last night and I think it's cracked one of the tiles. Harshin. Oh, that's bad luck. Mr. Rajan. It will take too long to find a mason, and it is only a small job. I can easily replace the broken tile with this spare one. Would you mind just holding the ladder for me while I climb onto the roof? Harshit. Are you sure that's a good idea? Mr. Rajan. After all, you are not so young anymore. Mr. Rajan. Well, I am only 75 years old. I am quite fit. Harshin. And when did you last climb a ladder? Mr. Rajan. I used to climb tree all the time when I was a boy. Harshin. That's what I thought. I really think it's too dangerous for you to climb on the roof. I will tell you what. Why don't you hold the ladder? I will climb up. I am good at climbing. Mr. Rajan. Perhaps you are right. I am very grateful for your help. Harshin. You are such a considerate young man. Harshin. It's a pleasure. Mr. Rajan, please don't hesitate to ask for help again if you need it. Come, let's get to work. So, this is the conversation. Now, on the basis of the conversation, you have to solve the questions which are given below. Now, see, listening exercise. Listen to the conversation between Mr. Rajan and his neighbor Harshin, which you have already listened to. As you listen, tick the statement that are true. Read these statements before you listen. Now, the first one, Mr. Rajan wants a favor from Harshit. You have to tell whether this statement is true or false. In a box, you will mark. Second statement, Harshan agrees to help. You have to mark in the box the statement is true or false. Third statement, Mr. Rajan wants to mend the roof himself. You have to mark true or false in the box. Fourth one, Mr. Rajan asked Harshan to climb on the roof for him. You have to mark true and false in the box. Fifth statement, Mr. Rajan is old and weak. You have to mark true or false in the box. Now, sixth one, Harshan offers to replace the broken tile. You have to mark true or false in the box. Seventh one, Mr. Rajan is very thankful to Harshan. You have to mark true or false in the box. Eighth one, Harshan offers to help Mr. Rajan anytime he needs it. You have to mark true or false in the box. So, this exercise you have to complete after listening to the conversation. Thank you very much all. Be safe and healthy. Always take care of yourselves.